Welcome back to N Solutions, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into a topic called natural language processing, or NLP. It's all about how AI enables computers to understand and generate human language. So, let's get started. Imagine a world where computers can truly understand what we say, just like humans do. Well, NLP makes this possible. It's a branch of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. With NLP, we're not only talking about written text, but also spoken words. NLP has a wide range of applications, and two popular ones are chatbots and language translation. Let's take a closer look at each of these. Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate conversations with humans. They use NLP to understand and respond to user inputs. Think of them as virtual assistants that can help answer questions, provide customer support, or even entertain us. From simple rule-based chatbots to more sophisticated AI-powered ones, NLP plays a crucial role in making these interactions feel natural and intuitive. Translation has come a long way thanks to NLP. It enables us to communicate with people who speak different languages without the need for a human translator. NLP algorithms analyze and understand the structure and meaning of sentences in one language and then generate an accurate translation in another language. This technology has revolutionized global communication, making it easier for people from different cultures to connect and collaborate. Now, you might be wondering, how does NLP actually work? Well, it involves a combination of techniques, including machine learning and deep learning. These techniques allow computers to learn from large amounts of data and extract patterns in language. In NLP, machine learning models are trained on vast datasets containing examples of human language. These models learn the statistical patterns and relationships between words, phrases, and sentences. By doing so, they can understand the meaning, context, and sentiment behind the text. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, takes NLP to the next level. Deep learning models, such as neural networks, are capable of processing and analyzing complex linguistic structures. They can even generate human-like text, known as natural language generation. Natural language processing is a remarkable field that has transformed the way computers interact with human language. From chatbots to language translation, AI-powered NLP systems have opened up endless possibilities. So next time you have a conversation with a chatbot or use a language translation tool, remember the incredible technology behind it. That's all for today's video on natural language processing. I hope you enjoyed learning about this exciting field. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.